Dear teachers, greetings to all. As we celebrate Teachers' Day today, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for the passion, dedication, and commitment towards our students. Your hard work and innovative teaching method helps to brighten the future of our students. I would also like to appreciate the Studybase and the entire team for their supporting our students in our educational mission. The tool you provide is very effective and efficient, and it is very useful in the administrative task and in the classroom also. Thank you so much for your support, which is totally based on the modern and traditional method which enhances our school success. Thank you so much once again. Enjoy this very special day. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.